Hi, welcome to our channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today we are going to learn about architecture of cloud computing. Here we are going to learn with the architectural diagram of cloud computing and we are going to see the each section in details for better understanding. Let's begin. Before begin, let's say a little introduction about architecture of cloud computing. The cloud architecture divided into two parts, front-end, back-end. Architecture of cloud computing is a combination of both service-oriented architecture, SOA, and event-driven architecture, EDA, client infrastructure, applications, service, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure, management and security. All these are the components of cloud computing architecture. In this architectural diagram, we are clearly seeing each sections. Here we can say this architecture is divided into two sections. First one is front-end section and second one is back-end section. These sections are connected via internet. Internet is a communication medium between them. It helps to communicate. In front-end section there is a client infrastructure. It means client is having say device which helps to get connected to the medium. It would be mobile phone or computer or laptop. And second section which is backend. Inside this section there are many subsections because this is the most important part which is doing all works. Inside backend there is 7 categories: application, service, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure, management, and security. Let's see front-end first. Front-end of the cloud architecture refers to the client side of cloud computing system. Means it contains all the user interfaces and application which are used by the client to access the cloud computing services resources. Here inside front-end a client architecture is present. Let's see what is client architecture. It is a part of front-end component. It contains the application and user interfaces which are required to access the cloud platform. It provides graphical user interface, GUI, to interact with cloud. Second, backend. Backend refers to the cloud itself, which is used by the service provider. Application. Application in backend refers to a software or platform to which client access. Means it provides the services in backend as per the client requirement. Service. Service in backend refers to the major 3 types of cloud-based service like SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Also manages which type of service the user accesses. C. Runtime cloud. Runtime cloud in backend provides the execution and runtime platform environment to the virtual machine. D. Storage. Storage in backend provide flexible and scalable storage data. E. Infrastructure. It refers to the hardware and software components of cloud like it includes servers, storage, network devices, virtualization software, etc. F. Management. It refers to backend components like applications, services, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure, and other security mechanisms. G. Security. It refers to implementation of different security mechanisms in the backend for secure cloud resources, system files, and infrastructure to end user. H. Internet. Internet connection acts as the medium or a bridge between front-end and back-end and establishes the interaction and communication between front-end and back-end. I. Database. It refers to provide database for storing structured data, such as SQL and NoSQL databases. Benefits of cloud computing architecture. Makes overall cloud computing system simpler, improves data processing requirements, helps in provide high security, makes it more modularized, results in better disaster recovery, gives good user accessibility, reduces IT operating cost, provides high-level reliability, scalability. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button, share it with a friend so that he can benefit as well, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn more about other topics, check out our playlist. Thank you.